Soil pollution. The contamination of soil with waste materials, pesticides, fertilizers, acid rain, and industrial chemical waste, etc., is called soil pollution. Soil pollution, in simple word, it means that the soil becomes infertile, or contaminated soil or polluted soil is not fit for growing plants or other crops. Sources of soil pollution. How soil pollution is caused. Dumping of waste materials such as plastic, polythene bags, plastic objects, glass, metal objects, etc. That means which are non-biodegradable materials. The use of pesticides in agriculture. Pesticides are the poisonous chemical substances which are sprayed on standing crops to save them from the harmful insects and diseases. Some of these pesticides also mix up with the soil in the fields and pollute it. So, the grains, fruits, and vegetables grown in the polluted soil contain pesticides. When we eat such contaminated grains, fruits, or vegetables, the pesticides present in them enter our bodies and damage our health in the long run. The excessive use of fertilizers in agriculture. The excessive use of chemical fertilizers can also pollute the soil by making the soil highly acidic or alkaline. When the soil becomes highly acidic or alkaline, it is said to be polluted because crops cannot grow well in a acidic or alkaline soil. Plants require neutral soil to grow well. Acid rain. Acid rain also can cause soil pollution. Acid rain makes the soil highly acidic because acid rain is the type of rain which contains more amount of acid in it. This acidic soil becomes toxic or poisonous for plant growth. In this way, pollution caused by acid rain makes the soil less fertile. Dumping of industrial waste. Many industries dump their waste products containing harmful chemicals on soil. These chemicals cause soil pollution and harm the plants which grow in it and the cattle which graze on it. Prevention of soil pollution. The use of polythene bags should be avoided. In place of polythene bags, we can use paper bags, cloth bags, or jute bags to prevent soil pollution. Recycling of plastic objects. Wherever possible, used plastic objects should be sent for recycling. This also can prevent soil pollution. The use of pesticides in agriculture should be minimized. The use of excessive chemical fertilizers should be avoided in agriculture. In place of chemical fertilizers, we should use organic compost or manure. Steps should be taken to reduce the emission of acidic gases like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, etc., which cause acid rain.